In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to Google Slides. Now, Google Slides is part of the Google Docs family. It's part of that product within Google. So it's a really powerful feature and a great way that you can create PowerPoint type slides within Google. So again, this is all web-based, so you aren't having to worry about where your documents are saved, what computer you save them on, where you save them. You can access them at any time. So that makes them extremely portable and extremely beneficial for your business. So when you go to Google Slides, you've got a blank template you can start with. You could also start with one of their pre-made templates. They have many other templates as well that you can work from. So this one here, we're calling this we got a pitch here. We have a consulting proposal, so I'm just going to pull up that as a template just so you can see how to modify some of these templates as well. So again, very similar to Microsoft Word. Where this comes into play, where it's beneficial, you can use these slides for Google Hangout presentation. You can use these slides for creating your info products. You can use these for creating your videos that you're going to be marketing on YouTube and other locations. Use them for creating PowerPoint slides that then you save the PDFs to them. Use them for whatever products you plan on creating. And notice this template here, the templates are very in depth and very solid. And the editing of these is very much just like if I was sitting in Microsoft Office and using their version of PowerPoint, it's going to look very, very similar. So I can just like click in here. I can look through these, and kind of just help me create my presentation. So these are all templates that they gave me, that they gave us to use. So these are their templates. And to modify this content, I could just go in here, click my mouse, say my consulting proposal. Let's change the date to June 1 of 2016, and then it's done, right? All changes have been saved there. If I wanted to share this, I could simply share that presentation with other people, with somebody else that I chose to, and it would go over to them as well. So that's how you do that. Anytime you want to go back, you go back to the slides home, and I'll show you how to start a new presentation from scratch. Again, this works great for your sales videos, for your content videos, for your marketing videos. PowerPoint type videos are phenomenal, and so this gives you that leg up. It gives you the ability to create PowerPoint sales presentation slides from scratch and actually get those out to the market. So I'm just going to simply click on this, and I'm going to call this one a sales video. So we'll let that load up here, and we're going to go with sales video. And it's going to connect here. So sales video, and then I'm going to put in this offer ends on June 1st. So please watch it now. So I'm going to give them a reason to, jump in on this. You can go over here and you can actually modify the text. So let's say I want to make this more of a reddish color, for example. Let's do that. Let's say I want to drop the font down just a little bit there. And let's say I want to center justify all this content. So we can do that as well. Say I want to make it another space here, or I want to improve spacing, I can do that as well. So let's just align that again to the center. And then the text block, we can actually create a new text block in here using the text file. We could add images. You could add shapes just like you would in Microsoft Office, PowerPoint. You can do all kinds of things. I just added a rectangle box there. I could go with a different kind of shape, let's say with a circle, and you can throw that in there and then right inside those boxes. So editing is going to be very similar to that. When you're done with it, you can download them as all the slides as a PDF or as a PowerPoint file so you can work with it. They make it very, very easy for you to do that. And again, anytime, just click on share. That will share it around. we can go over here and we could say a new, um, let's say down here, let's go new slide. And there we go. We've got our slide. We're ready to go. You could also come over here and choose one of these templates if you wanted to as well for like your home page. You can actually choose a theme for your presentation. They give you several different themes to work from. So they give you everything you would need in order to make an effective sales video with PowerPoint, or be able to be as effective as you can be with PowerPoint. So I like it. I think it's very user friendly. I think it's very simple to use. And so Google Slides is another great program to use. Use it in lieu of PowerPoint if you don't have PowerPoint, and it works perfectly for that. It has almost all the same features and bells and whistles, so there's no reason that you can't create a powerful presentation. And when you're done with it, you can go to slide and choose new slide to make a new slide, or you could actually go from there, choose next slide, previous slide, and then use it to kind of see what your presentation looks like as you go through the process. So that's Google Slides, and we'll go on to the next videos.